Hi, I'm Jason with Versatech Pest Management. Versatech Pest Management is one of the most trusted and effective pest management services in the Southern California area. We service all of Los Angeles and Orange County. We have over 1,000 regular service clients, and we'd love to bring you on board as well. We service residential and commercial accounts, and right now it is rodent season. So if you're concerned, starting to hear that scratching in your attic, hearing the scratching in your walls, or just want to begin a rodent protection program, we are definitely the company to call. We offer regular rodent control services where we can put exterior bait stations down around your property for exterior rodent control, as well as place trap stations in your garage, trigger traps in your attic, and crawl space to make sure that we completely cover you from any rodent activity. A step above that is our rodent abatement service, where we can actually stop rodents from moving in and out of your structure, capture and remove any rodents that remain in after we do that exclusion work to seal them all out. We also offer great commercial services for any type of commercial client. Feel free to give us a call at any time. We're always ready to provide you with a free consultation and inspection where we can come out, answer all your questions, and get you the right service options.